Welcome to the Triple T. This is a little story about buying a livestock trailer off a Facebook marketplace and finding several hidden treasures in the livestock trailer. So hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.
Oh. Put it in the garden. Oh, it's videotaping. Okay. Just found this on a little trailer that we just bought. Look at that. Looks pretty old. You don't think we should chain it up? Chain it onto it? No, I ain't holding it. You crazy? I'll go get the mule and I'll come follow you. Don't hit the trees! Up on some garage sale site. East Texas garage sale site. I think we paid $140 for it. We just thought it looked cool. Needed a home. That's good. Each opened up. This time he's got a safety hitch pin so it doesn't fall off.
Looks like we need to cut these bolts. So we'll cut all these bolts, get all this scrap metal out of here, and it looks like chain link fence. Get this out of here because we're going to put in, I think an oak floor would look good, don't you? Mm-hmm. And a couple benches, mm-hmm. And then a horn button right up there. What in the world? Oh my gosh. This is on the bottom of this trailer. What do you think about that trailer?
That's one heavy duty sign.
Oh my goodness. Delicious and refreshing. Drink Coca Cola. We're missing the shing, the G. Wow. That'll be fun to hang up somewhere.
So the sign's bold, as you can see. We'll put some plywood behind it and we'll make some hardware to hang the sign. We'll use the hardware from the trailer to hang it.
You know, it's pretty amazing that you brought home that livestock trailer that you found on East Texas garage sale site. And to think about it, we paid $140 for that. And look what was on the bottom of that livestock trailer.
Yep, that sign was created in '32, the International Harvester truck, the early '50s. Then the truck failed and they made a trailer out of it. And then somewhere along the way, that sign was probably in East Texas in a mom and pop shop, and they put that down at the bottom of the trailer, put a floor in it, and then we buy it for $140 at a garage sale site, and it ends up here, and that sign ends up on our wall.
Drink Coca Cola, delicious and refreshing.
You know, it's the real thing.
Like to buy the world a home and furnish it with love.
Grow apple trees and honey bees and snow white turtle doves. I like to teach the world to sing with me. Perfect harmony, perfect harmony. I like to buy the world a Coke and keep it company. That's the real thing. I like to teach the world to sing in perfect harmony and me. And I'd like to buy the world a Coke and keep it company.